Hello everyone and welcome to another Notion tutorial. In today's tutorial I will show you how to add a progress bar to your Notion page. So first of all you have to create a page or navigate to the page you want to add your progress bar to. In my case I'll be creating a new page. The first thing you will need to add a progress bar is just add a database. So for this I will type in /database. Go with this one. It created a new database for me. I can name it whatever I want. And then here I will have to add a property, a number property to be exact, so I can add the progress bar to. I will do just that, number. As you can see here, you will see it show as either a number or a bar or a ring. If you want to add a progress bar, you will have to choose the bar option. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the configurations you are allowed to do. So you can choose the color for your progress bar, you can choose the number to be divided by, and you can choose whether you are going to show the number or not. Just to test it out, I can go here and fill the number with 20. And as you can see here, we have our progress bar. And here you go guys, you have now your progress bar. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and you found it helpful. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Peace.